Hey, Bert. Okay, this is for you. And only you. Okay. I'm a real big fan of yours, but I'm quite the joke to you. But boy, it wasn't a joke when you kissed me in your room and replied, I love you too. I'm a little bit insecure from all of this mistreatment. But see, I'm working it out. Working it out is so damn hard when you're alone. Sha ta ta da ta da 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 da. I'm over you now. I am running out of words to say to you. Wondering why I'm wasting my time, thinking back and wondering why I'm such a fool.